कोडिंग आणि रोबोटिक्स मळाचेर विद्यार्थ्यांक प्रशिक्षण दिवन फुडारात प्रशिक्षित मनुष्यबळ तयार करपाची मोख दवरीत गोंय सरकारान उत्तर प्रदेशाचे MSME टेक्नॉलॉजी डेव्हलपमेंट सेंटर आणि गोयच्या बिट्स पिलांनी कडेन कबलात केला। ह्या कबलाती वरवीं कोडिंग आणि रोबोटिक्स विशयाचे प्रशिक्षण विद्यार्थ्यांक दितले अशी माहिती मुखेलमंत्री आणि शिक्षण मंत्री डॉ. प्रमोद सावंत हांणी दिल्या। विज्ञान आणि तंत्रज्ञान मळाचेर हे प्रशिक्षण महत्वाचें आसा अशें तांचें म्हणणें आसा।
There will be the two memorandum of understanding MOE signed by the project management unit to set up under the Director of Technical Education. First is Birla Institute of Technology and Science, BITS Pilani, the project management unit Director of Technical Education institution in collaborative research agreement between these two entities. And second is the Technology Development Center, Merit, Uttar Pradesh, for the project management unit under the Director of Technical Education. It is the commercialization of the PMU in a house developed tools and technology for the skill education via tripartite agreement with the other state organizations.